Extra time.
Coach, welcome to the pre-match press conference.
Yes.
We take on Jamshedpur FC away tomorrow. As usual, I have a few questions from the media, which I'll take one by one. The first set of questions is from Ajkal newspaper. The team was brilliant defensively against Mumbai City FC and also against Bengaluru FC. Will you now look to play an attacking football against Jamshedpur FC to get the goals and the first win?
Yes, it was a two good match. We defended really well. When you play against an organized team like Bengaluru and Mumbai, one of the best attacking side, we have to defend well first. I don't want a cricket score. We have to defend well and attack together. Football is all about attacking together and defending together. We act according to the situation. So tomorrow we will see. Jamshedpur is also a very good side. They have got few great players. If you play like Stewart, the defender, Hartley, even our Indian player Len, he is quite a good player. So Murray, so they have some good players, but then we have to concentrate on ourselves. So how we can defend better and how we can attack better. So we will see tomorrow.
The second one, as I said, is also from Ajkal. With Daniel Chimachuku out and Joyner Lorenzo injured, do you feel confident that the team has it in them to upset Jamshedpur FC?
Like I said, Jamshedpur, we have to give respect to Jamshedpur for what they have done so far. That they are a good team. But again, Chima going out Chima will be a big miss. And now, with so many players injured, Franier injured, Tommy injured, Joyner injured, Darren is still recovering, Peresovic out with suspension. So now with so many players out, we have to act as one, we have to act as a unit, and we have to get going.
India.com has the next question. As you said that with Chima out, will you put a striker in his place along with Sembhai Haukim, or do you have any other plans in mind to facilitate more open play chances?
I see now Sembhai in last two matches, I'm really happy that the workload he have taken, and he even scored a goal in Angau's free kick against Bengaluru. So we all know and people have seen what Sembhai can do, and I just hope that he continue doing the same. And tomorrow it's not going to be an easy match, and we have got a player like Balwant Singh who is equally, who is a player who is equally good. So there is a chance of Balwant coming in also. So we will get to see tomorrow in the lineup. Yeah, but both of them are two great strikers for me right now in this situation. And then we all know what Balwant has done in the past, and he has been playing in the big league for a long time. And Sembhai, having a good run, and it's really nice. And let's see tomorrow what it happens, and we will see the lineup.
The next two questions are from ABP Anando and Sportskira. The team has shown a great fighting spirit under you. What have you done to lift the morale of the team?
So now I would say that thanks to the boys for supporting me. They know that, as a young coach, I need their support, and whatever I said, whatever we plan, they stick to it. And we can see in the ground that how much they are giving. They are giving more than 100%. And it's really nice to see that. How long can they continue is a big question. But I'm sure whoever is coming in tomorrow, they will fight till the end. In game, we may lose or we may win. But what I want from the boys is that commitment, that not giving up at all. And this is what I want from the boys again tomorrow. It's not going to be easy, but they have to do it. See how many times they're going to get this opportunity when, there are many players out. And this is the time for the ones who have not played. This is the time for them to show that they are equally good.
Are you thinking of starting with an all-Indian 11 against Jamshedpur?
I'm not thinking about it. I have to. There are so many. Almost all the players are injured, and even Joyner, who had a great run for few matches last time, and now he's also injured. So I don't have any options left. So I have to. But then again, I'm very, very confident on the players who are going to play tomorrow, that they will give their best and they will do their duties. If we do our duties, it's going to be difficult, even though Jamshedpur is a very, very good side. So we have to make it difficult, and these players have to do it. And I hope they stick to their plan, to the plan that we have been working.
The next two questions are from Ananda Bazar Patrika. What have you learned from the last two matches, and what will be your plan against a strong Jamshedpur FC side?
What I have learned from the last two matches, I have learned that if we stay as one, if we work together with the structure, going up together, coming back together, if we work as one, in life, nothing is impossible. Everything is possible only if we work as one.
And what will be your plan against Jamshedpur FC?
Jamshedpur FC, of course, yes. I have said, there are so many good players in Jamshedpur, but again, we have to concentrate on our strong points. We have to know that how we can trouble them. We have to know that how we can hurt them and how we can defend properly. And after defending, how we can attack as a group. So yes, it will be a tough one. But like I said, if we keep working, if we stick to our plan, you never know.
The team is still winless from the first 10 games. How badly does that need to change?
We badly need it. Do we want to be in this place? No. Boys are working really, really hard to come out of this. So we have seen in Hyderabad match, it was a very good match from the boys. We have seen with one foreigner against Bengaluru playing so well. Of course, we didn't get a win. We were conceded at the end. And after that, against Mumbai, the best attacking side, we want to win. We play for win, but we have to act accordingly. We need to know what type of players do we have. Do we have enough players in attack, or do we have enough players who can defend? So yes, I'm really happy, even though we really want to come out of this situation, come out of these difficult times. But then we cannot just skip. We have to go step by step. And if you see from Hyderabad match, the way we have been improving, if we continue doing that, we will be able to come out. And it's not going to be easy, but we have to come out from here. And we badly need to come out from here.
The final question is from Khel Now, with obviously Daniel Chimachuku gone and Antonio Perisic still serving a suspension. We look short in the attacking third. Is Balwant Singh fit to start, or will Semboy Hauke lead the line against Jamshedpur?
Like I said, Semboy, the way he has been playing, I'm happy. He should just continue. Balwant Singh, when he came on last match and when he came on against Hyderabad, he did really well. He was out with injury. Now he's back. He's ready to go. So tomorrow we will be able to see Balwant also. That I would like to give him some time so that he can play his game. So yes, Balwant and Semboy, they will get their chance and they have to prove.
লেটেস্ট নিউজ আর এক্সক্লুসিভ ভিডিওর সঙ্গে আপডেট থাকতে এখনই সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমাদের ইউটিউব চ্যানেল। বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করতে ভুলবেন না যেন।